I was about to say, the vibes in here are a little serious this morning, and then you do that.
Serious? I won't say serious. I think fatigued. I think more fatigued than serious.
You're feeling the weeks of training already?
A little bit. I didn't sleep well last night. I didn't have a good sleep. You know, usually on a rest day, you like to wake up feeling ready to go. I'm not feeling that, man. I woke up and I'm just, it's not there. But you know what? This is what it feels like on game day. So you just gotta get used to it.
That wake you up, boy?
You missed.
It was hard. You tried.
What, watching through that and picking my nipple? Kind of how my Monday usually are, because the bike at like 3, so it'll be pretty close to the same.
So, DC will start. You'll start behind your bike. DC will go, hop on your bike, you'll hit your calories, and your AMRAP will be over there. We're going to flow that way. Once you're done the 4 minute, Travis, you'll be waiting behind the bike. You'll start immediately as they're done.
I'm going to win because, well, I'm the only guy competing in my division. So,
then we'll move the bars. So the second AMRAP will go this way. You're going to flip the bikes. The bars will be over here. So instead, you'll start behind the bikes. As soon as Travis is done, you'll jump on your bikes and go this way. So it'll be barbell, handstand walk. So the handstand walk starts here, goes down, turn around, pirouette, come back to the finish. But if you fall on the pirouette, you have to start back over on that handstand walk. So handstand walk, turn around, come back, 15 feet. Once we're done that, we're going to continue the flow this way. We're going to bring it down a little bit more, bike, barbell, handstand push-up. And then we have a 60-minute break, and then Adam and I will set up everything else and try to keep everything here for the skill sets. Good? 90 seconds. Alright.
Frank, do we have to change the barbell ourselves?
Yeah, we'll change your weights.
oh, your iPhone bike out of it.
illegal. Trying more hurt and do a feature. I said what they are showing me up. Faded when I let the look in me up. I heard from someone you said you could be it. Nothing. You know my city like a new Korea. Hush, I saw the babies, now let's do a rings. Crush it, she looking, I'm blushing, I'm lying, I'm touching. I need this to be something up, I got accustomed to it. Good thing the fake, I took the jump just like it's nothing to it. Girl, I'm rushing, this is working, I just put your body to it. All that talking, cutting through it. I ain't no connoisseur, but I like this kind of sport. I got nothing to do with it, they think I'm strong. 9 times out of 10, I need some bullet. Trying to more hurt and do a picture. I check the one they are showing me up. Fade away, I let that look at me. I heard from someone you said you could be it. Nothing. You know my city like a new Korea. All these discussions over who can see us. Hush, I saw them niggas, now let's do a ring. Crush it, she looking, I'm blushing, I'm lying, I'm touching. Why you being extra? Being extra.
20 seconds.
Extra. Not a main character, but you could be an extra. Yes, sir. We the hottest out just to be next up. Now I'm on
10 seconds.
Thank you, next, bro. Shorty came from Lex, she flexed up. EJ Turkey's mother, next up. Need something,
Yo.
next up. Get like 3 something every time I dress up. So easy, I got affection. About to eat something, they gon' have to catch up. What's up, boy? Trying to more hurt and do a feature. I said the one they are showing me up. Fade away, I let that look at me. I heard from someone you said you could be nothing.
Never stop if you wanna be on top. Yeah.
Nice, Lex. Yeah, you didn't know. Nice, Lex. Take a longer break to see something.
That's for money.
Yeah. All the barbells are broken.
That's for advice. Get money twice. I'm from the
Got 40 seconds.
that Chico nice. Y'all call it moms. I call it life.
You got it, Lex. Come on now. Yep.
You got this, Linda.
You got it, Trav. You got it, Trav. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, that was so hard. I don't know why, like, I didn't think it was gonna feel like that. It was just like getting off the bike and then going into barbell, like just jacked my heart rate up, and then it just, the whole thing sucked. Like no part of it felt good.
Good training though.
Yeah, it is. I think he beat me on 2 and then we tied on the last.
Were you a grab?
I think. I don't know. He's gonna rub it in my face though. I might have beat him on the second one. So we might be tied.
Are y'all pretty competitive?
Pretty competitive.
Who wins usually?
Me.
People want to know when you're going to do a podcast.
You wanna know, not the people.
Leave a comment if you want Linda to do a podcast. How's that work out?
Some parts are good, some parts are not.
Got important text messages going on over here?
I'm looking at programming.
Oh,
I was sending a text message before, but not programming.
caught in the act of programming.
Reviewing.
How'd they do?
I thought it was good. I missed the first half. I think I missed the first AMRAP, but after that it looked pretty good. How'd you think they did?
don't
Turn
know.
that camera around.
I don't know. They look good to me. How'd they do, Frank?
They did awesome. I didn't watch any of it.
They're just aligned for the handstand push-ups.
30-10.
Hello.
Alexa's convinced she beat me.
I don't know.
How was that?
It's good as hard. The bike just sets the tone for everything. So I feel like from that standpoint, it's like it's just working and lifting heavy, right? Like lifting heavy under fatigue. Hey, who got the wins? Turn.
Well, 1 clean and jerk, it's 3 unbroken. That's a rep. No, I would have done 1.
Linda did singles. Get out of here.
Well, that's still.
I just need to
You mean you didn't have time to get one?
Even if it's not a win, I just want to be.
I had more time to get 1 rep, which would mean I won. I didn't let go of the bar. The time just hit.
I had time to get 1 rep. I just
You
didn't
should-
do
your
it
effort was
because
a choice then.
the rep was supposed to
Your
be unbroken.
effort was failed then.
We tied.
No.
You won.
Did I do more reps? Who did more reps?
Whatever.
Their answer, that answers the question on who won.
Fair and square, baby.
Fair and square. Yeah.